Configuring organizational settings in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Organizational settings are high-level configuration options that apply across the entire Microsoft 365 tenant. These settings enable or disable features at the service or tenant level. They can also be refined within individual services to meet specific needs. Steps to access organizational settings. Go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, admin.microsoft.com. Navigate to Org Settings. In the navigation pane, expand Settings and select Org Settings. Org Settings Page Overview. The Org Settings page is divided into 3 tabs. Services, Security and Privacy, Organizational Profile. Detailed breakdown of org settings. 1. Services tab. The Services tab displays settings for various workloads, services, and features available in your Microsoft 365 tenant. Key services and their descriptions. Adoption score, manage privacy levels and include/exclude users. Azure Speech Services, control whether content is used to improve Azure speech accuracy. Bookings, enable or disable bookings, with options to restrict social sharing or external use. Briefing email, Microsoft Viva, manage Viva briefing email delivery. Users can unsubscribe. Calendar, configure external calendar sharing and level of detail shared. Cortana, enable or disable Cortana's connection to Microsoft 365 tenant data. Directory synchronization, download Azure AD Connect tool for synchronization. Dynamics 365 applications, configure insights visibility, individual/aggregated/identifiable. Mail, links to the Exchange Admin Center and Microsoft Defender 365 portal. Microsoft communication to users, allow or disable Microsoft-generated training and content. Microsoft Edge site lists, manage which browser users access when navigating specific sites. Microsoft Forms, configure external sharing and capture internal usernames filling out forms. Microsoft Teams, enable or disable Teams globally and configure guest access. Multi-factor authentication, links to configure multi-factor authentication settings. Microsoft Viva Insights, manage user access to Viva Insights features. Office installation options, choose the update channel for Microsoft 365 apps. SharePoint, enable or disable external sharing. Whiteboard, enable Whiteboard app usage and manage diagnostic data collection. 2. Security and Privacy tab. Control access, settings related to organizational security, such as multi-factor authentication and privacy levels. Data protection, options for configuring data protection policies. 3. Organizational Profile tab. Organizational information, configure tenant-level information such as names, addresses, and other business details. Branding, customize the appearance and experience for users in your organization, including logos and theme colors. Conclusion. Each service in the org settings has configurable options tailored to specific business needs. Administrators should explore these settings to ensure that they meet organizational security, privacy, and operational requirements.